Morning geocachers. It's a frosty January morning. Not quite sure of the date off the top of my head. I'll show you what I mean by frosty. Well, you'll see as we pass these cars here, look at the iced up windows and roofs, etc. And I'm just out doing a spot of geocaching in my local area during the lockdown. Just something to do to get out. It's relatively early, it's only about 9ish in the morning. This is East Parade in York, which leads down from where I live, and I'm heading down to one called Ossies Scrapyard. I'll put a little thing up of that here rather than try and hold my phone up. It's actually not that far from where I live. I think you can see it is a little bit frosty underfoot, but it's not too bad. Thankfully for a Saturday morning, partly because it's a little bit early, partly because there's a lockdown on. The traffic isn't too heavy, which might be useful for this one that I'm doing, because it is on a main road. So this is Laythorpe in York. I do think this is one of the most unusual footpaths. I don't know whether you can tell, but on that side there, it goes up at an angle, which is a bit strange. Transformers outside the inner space station. If you know York, you'll know there's one of those, same firm on the outskirts of York with a garage on Hull Road, and they have all sorts of things on top of the roof like Daleks and Cybermen. It's all very thematic. This place, FC, it opened up during the last lockdown. Well, the big lockdown a year ago. And I've never really seen it active since. I don't know how it's going. We're not that far away now. Let's have a little look at the app. So it's saying I'm about 86 metres away. So this is the River Ouse at Foss Islands, Laythorpe. Now it is up a bit at the moment, because we've had quite a bit of local flooding, and the cache apparently is along here somewhere. So over there's a skate park, and that's actually run by my mate Vinny Whitehead. I'm going to try and look dead casual while I do this. Nice, magnetic. The good thing about this is you can actually do a few things with this even though you're in plain view. This is really nice, and it looks as though it's a bit wet. Oh gosh, that's soaking, absolutely soaking, so I'm not going to sign that. I'm just going to log it in the app as found. Just slip it back while there's nobody around. First find of the day. I hope you like that. Nice, quick, easy one today to start me off. I'm actually planning on doing a series which will follow on from this video around the city walls, if I can get on. Actually, there may be issues because of the COVID thing, but I think they've set up a one-way system around the city walls. So if you want to be notified when I've uploaded those, and if you like this, give the video a like. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it just means that you get a notification when I upload a new video. Brilliant, I'll see you soon.